Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss question, are rebels good? If you want answers to your questions, then you have come to the right place. Allow us to enhance your knowledge about everything you should know to everything you know. We believe to make information easier to understand. You are most welcome to be our judge. Not only the 7th standard students, but we all should know who rebels really are. They are more than just being mischievous. Everyone has a rebel inside of them. Maybe you just need to wait for the right time. This video is not only an answer to the textbook question but also an eye-opener to many. Without any further ado, let's get rolling. We all know a person who goes against all the rules and doesn't seem to hesitate much while doing so. Do you resent that person for doing so or admire them for standing firm on their beliefs? Or both at times? They prove the fact that not everyone belongs to the same perspective group. Rules are made to be followed to obtain law and order. Rules are also meant to be broken. But keep in mind, certain rules and regulations are essential and have to be followed. If everyone followed rules, who would question the reason? Whatever they may be called, rebels, revolutionaries, misfits, they are the reason our society has and is being changed. Who do you think was the first to be criticized for taking the initial step we are now allowed to? No path is made until someone walks on it first. The change that was essential had a start somewhere. Even before anyone knew, someone was already walking on it. Rules and regulations are made after considering certain protocols. They were definitely not made to be taken lightly. But not all who break rules are rebels. Some are just wrong. Rebels may not need to be heard because they make themselves heard, loud and clear. Obviously, that's why you call them rebels. About rebels being good or not, it's honestly your call. Not all rebels are the same. Not all are rule breakers or misfits. They are the ones who make society dynamic. We together form the society. So, in this video, we learned that if you have broken rules more than often, you know what you want. Society was and is not about fitting in but making it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.